Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Adam. Today's topic is really cool. We're talking about small habits that can make a big change in your life, especially if you want to stay fit without going to the gym.
I love that. Because honestly, not everyone has time for the gym.
Or money for a gym membership. Ha ha.
Exactly. But staying healthy isn't only about the gym. It's about small daily habits, things you can do anytime, anywhere.
Let me tell you a story. Last year during winter, I stopped going to the gym. It was cold, dark, and my bed felt so comfortable.
Oh, I know that feeling. Warm blanket, cozy socks, and no motivation.
Yes. So I stopped moving. I worked from home, sat all day, and ordered food online, and I started feeling tired. Even my back hurt.
That's what happens when we sit too much. But then, what did you do, Adam?
I started tiny habits. First, I told myself, I'll just do 5 minutes of walking after lunch. Just 5 minutes.
That's smart. Start small. Okay, friends, let's learn some useful words. Habit, something you do again and again. Example, brushing your teeth is a daily habit. Motivation, the reason you want to do something. Example, my motivation for walking is to feel healthy. Stretch, to move your body to make your muscles longer.
Example, I stretch my arms every morning.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm building good habits. I can stay healthy every day. Small steps lead to big changes.
One more time, louder and with confidence. I'm building good habits. I can stay healthy every day. Small steps lead to big changes.
Great job, everyone. You know, I also have a small habit. Every morning, I play music and stretch for 10 minutes, even before coffee.
Ha ha! Before coffee? That's impressive.
Yes, it wakes me up and makes me feel positive. Then I walk around my room or dance a little.
That sounds fun. So friends, you don't need a gym, right? You just need movement. Walk, dance, stretch, clean the room. It all counts.
Yes, even cleaning or walking your dog helps your body move.
Let's review some phrases. Work from home. To do your job from your house. Move your body. To exercise or be active. It all counts. It all matters. It's all helpful.
For example, even a short walk counts. Dancing while cleaning counts too.
Okay, time for a fun idiom. No pain, no gain. It means if you want results, you need to make some effort.
Oh, that's true. But we can also say, slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to do too much. Just keep going.
Yes, step by step you'll see big changes.
Let's practice the idioms, everyone. Repeat after me. No pain, no gain. Slow and steady wins the race.
Perfect. You sound great. And remember, don't rush. English learning and fitness are both about consistency.
Adam, you know what I realized? When I started exercising, I also started speaking English to myself.
Really? How?
Well, while walking, I say things like, I'm strong, I'm improving, it's a good day.
Haha, that's brilliant. So you're training your mind and your English at the same time.
Yes, you can say positive sentences while doing small movements. It helps your brain remember English faster. Let's try it now. Repeat after us.
I'm strong.
I'm improving.
It's a good day.
I can do this. Wonderful. Keep practicing and smiling.
So, friends, remember my story. I started with 5 minutes of walking. Now I walk 30 minutes every day and feel stronger than ever.
And remember my morning routine. 10 minutes of stretching before coffee. You don't need big things. You need small, consistent habits. Small actions build strong results. The same goes for learning English. 1 word a day, 1 video a day, 1 smile a day.
Yes, you're improving step by step, and we're so proud of you.
Stay kind to yourself, stay active, and remember, small habits create big change. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed learning English with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more warm, story-based English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what's your small habit? That makes a big difference?
We'd love to read your answers. See you next time on Amjee's English World.